Wi-Fi Zigbee SAM switch made by tempered glass, plastic, iron, etc. It installs easily, can be operated through the Smart Life Tuya app. First, click Add Device to find the Zigbee gateway you want to add. And then add smart devices to the gateway, such as a dimmer switch. Also modify the name of device to make it easier to find. Control the brightness of the light by pulling the progress bar in the app. Connect to Wi-Fi smart switch. Press the switch for 5 seconds until the red light flashes. Select Add Device in the app and find the switch you need to pair. You can control the light through the switch itself or through the app. You can still modify the device name. The icon of the smart switch can be customized according to customer needs. You can also add smart devices for the whole house, such as switches, curtains, dimming, etc., to the smart central control. You can control whether the smart device is working through the central control.